Hello everyone, this is Kathleen and I'm pleased today to come and show you this finished journal. Um, I showed you the other day what I was going to do with this kit this month. I've used the Roaring Twenties kit from StacyStories on Etsy, and gosh, I've had a lot of fun. It turned out really well. So this is what I ended up doing on the cover. I used one of the beautiful flapper images from the kit as kind of the focal point of the cover, and then I've included from the Paris kit, and I will list both kits in the description box, but I printed off just in black and white this image of the Eiffel Tower. I've done these three metal pieces here: live, dream, and love. And then I've done this fun spine dangle just with some ribbon and fiber tassel, and then this charm dangle. It's got 9 charms on it, and just kind of fun things. There's a little Eiffel Tower there, and the fleur-de-lis. And anyway, so yeah, so this journal is 9 inches by is it 9? Is it 8.5? Nope, it's 8.5. 8.5 inches by 6 inches, and it has this 1/2 inch rounded spine, and just one signature, but it's big. I wanted it a little bit chunky, and yeah, it's turned out really well. There are 4 additional charms here on the side, and lace and fabric. Let's go inside. I've just used this hair tie closure because I put the spine dangle on. I didn't want to have too much going on, and I really liked the way these photos looked here. So let's go inside and I'll show you. All right, so I just have this triple kind of pocket here in the front with a couple of tags. This pocket opens up, this envelope, and there's just a little card in there. And these tags go here. There's also this big pocket behind. And then I've done this pretty ruffle here on the side and have a bead charm there. This is one of the journaling cards. Some tags. Pretty images in this kit. Yeah, it's a flip out. Isn't that a pretty image? This is some vintage stationery. It has it's very textured. I don't think the camera will pick it up, but it's really cool. It will be fun to write on. Yeah. I just have this kind of fringe there. This is some vintage ledger and just some journaling writing paper that folds out. Some little details here. It's another fabric ruffle. And this is one of my favorite layered pockets to make. And I've just made some aged kinds of journaling papers. And this in there. And this one fits in here. This image is from the Paris kit, and this one from the Roaring Twenties. Done some little shorts. There's another, it's missed that page. So there's lots of, room for writing and journaling, keeping things. This little collaged pocket. This is a double pocket, so you can put something there. And then this is just from a music book. And I've just done some doodling there. That's one of my very favorite antique laces. I still have a little left, but gosh, I'm running out and I hate to see it end. Some vintage trim. Here in the center, I've used a glassine bag and then just made this. This is kind of a little booklet. Not booklet, but a little notepad, I guess. I've just stamped on some of the pages and done this at the top. Little cluster that just slides in there. I think I better put it all the way. Yeah, there we go. And then there's a little pocket, textured collaged journal card. I've done this little pretty folded, ruffled ribbon here. And then I've made, this is a tuck spot with a place behind, and then I've just used this ribbon and done a little tuck here as well. Some journaling cards. This was stamped. This is an embossed invitation card, and I just trimmed it down and stained it. So they just go in there. This is some paper I think I mentioned in the other video. It's from an Art Deco book that I had, just a pattern book. Some more vintage lace and a little charm. Here's part of the masterboard that I made. I've done just some doodling on it here and there, and included some vintage ephemera in there. Just some note papers. This is another double, kind of one of my peekaboo pocket things. Some more of that doodling. And stamped. This came from a recycled document, you know, where they print off a certificate and you get that embossed gold thing. I thought that would look really good here. So it just slides behind there. This is one of the images from Stacy's kit. There's a little cluster here, and just a couple of journaling cards. This is, I love her. Yeah, very elegant, some lace. And this is an old French document, letter, a little note actually, but it's very old. It doesn't have a date on it, and the ink is fading. But there's room, you know, for other journaling on the back, and you can just write over that writing. That's kind of fun. And then a pearl there. A little pocket, just some simple journal cards. This is just a little like a project life card kind of thing, and I've just put some ruffle and lace on there. And this is also from an old piano book. It's very old. It's kind of fragile. 1947, but you know, the paper was not that great. And then this is just a coffee dyed journal paper that I have folded into this kind of accordion fold, and so it holds these papers. And And then on this side, I have one of the little bent clips. And on this side, this is just a paper bag that I have just kind of altered, done a collage on. And it's a journal card. And so that just kind of tucks in on this side. Here's another belly band. This is from the Paris kit, and I've just done a little bit of washi tape there. Goes in there. And then finally, this is some hand crocheted lace. And I've just included one of these blank invitation embossed pretty cards. And then this is from the Paris kit also. And I've just done some stamping and smushing on there. And then the back cover is just plain. But it's very flexible and lots of room, you know, for it still to grow. It's stuffed, but because the cover is flexible, it will mold around the things that you put inside. So that's my my design team project this month for StacyStories, the Roaring 20s kit, and I hope you'll look that up and maybe have some fun with it yourself. Hey, thanks so much for being with me. I always appreciate your time. This journal will be listed on Etsy as soon as I can get the listing made and the pictures taken. Thank you. We'll see you again.